Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about obsession, and actually, I'm obsessed with only one thing: how to make the best possible use of our time, because this is the only thing you can never buy back. And once it's gone, a moment is gone. Once a day it's gone, it's gone. So I want to make sure that we use time in the best possible way we can, because we're not gonna be alive forever, as much as it would be great to be. And what shocks me is that time goes faster than ever, and people feel so anxious, so stressed, so pressured by the fact that they cannot cope with everything that they have to. They cannot finish all the stuff that they have to on time. And I read about a technique that actually empowers your brain to feel less stressed. Imagine that everything around you is growing, starting with your block, starting with your house. Then the whole city is expanding. Then close your eyes and see the whole earth expanding. See your calendar expanding. When everything seems bigger for the mind, it actually makes the mind feel looser. And when the mind feels looser, there is less stress, there is less anxiety, and there is less tension. So the moment you can see and imagine that everything's become bigger, even yourself, as opposed to how you see yourself now, you see that actually there is enough time and there is nothing to worry about.